Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video, so the wait is over. Today I'm sharing with you beautiful crochet gloves design, fingerless gloves design for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas. Mind-blowing pattern, beautiful designing. Handmade knitting variety, some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors. Fabulous and most trendy ideas. So like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Follow my channel, press the bell icon, good comment in comment section. You can ask me in comment section what do you want next, more about crochet collection. Beautiful designing, beautiful ideas, most demanding, most wearing collection. Like and share my video, follow my channel. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.